Hello, everyone. Welcome. Today, in today's newspaper on Wednesday, May the 13th, 2020, we have three regular Sudokus: a binary Sudoku, a medium Sudoku, and a killer Sudoku, aka Sudoku mix. I will solve first the regular Sudokus, because in this newspaper there are also, in the additional, 5 or 6 Sudokus extra during the corona crisis, but priority is the regular Sudoku. So I will solve these 3 Sudokus first. And the first one I will do is a binary, so let's get started. Alright, this one binary is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's a 10 by 10 binary Sudoku. That means 5 O's and 5 1's in a row or in a column. Remember that. So let's get started. Alright, a double 1, here an O, there an O, a lot of O's. Let's see, double O, here 1, there 1. We have a double 1 here an O, there an O. Then a double O, here 1, there 1. A double 1, here an O, there an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. That means the rest are 1's. Between 2 1's comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 1's comes an O. Double 1, here an O, there an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here an O, there an O. Double O, between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double O, here and 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1, so the rest are O's. And then between 2 O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1's, so the rest are O's. And then between 2 O's comes in 1. Double 1, here an O, there an O. Double O, here and 1, there and 1. Double O, here and 1, there and 1. Double 1, here and O, there and O. Between 2 O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 1's. If I place the 5th one here, then we have 4 O's in a row. Not allowed, so this cannot be a 1, this should be an O. Double O, here and 1, there and 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are 1's. Double 1, here and O, there and O. Double O, here and 1, there and 1. Double 1, here and O, there and O. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double O, here and 1, there and 1. Double O, here and 1, there and 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, 5 1's, so the rest are O's. Double O, here and 1, there and 1. Between 2 1's comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 O's, so the rest are 1s. Double 1 here and O, there and O. Between 2 O's comes in 1. And then I cannot continue, I think. I think I need to compare. Yes. Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 O's, so the rest are 1s. Between 2 1s comes an O. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 O's. If I place the 5th O here, then we have 3 1s in a row, not allowed, so this cannot be an O, this should be a 1. Between 2 1s comes an O, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 O's, so the rest are 1s. Between 2 1s comes an O, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 O's, so the rest are 1s. And then here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 O's, so the rest are 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 1s. If I place the 5th one here, then we have 4 O's in a row. So this cannot be a 1, this should be an O. Double O, here and 1, there and 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 1s. If I place the 5th O here, 5th one here, then we have 3 O's there. Not allowed. So this cannot be a 1. This should be an O. Double O, here and 1, there and 1. Double 1, here and O, there and O. Double O, here and 1, there and 1. Between 2 1s comes an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Finished in 6 minutes. All right. For a binary 10 by 10, it's okay. We have no identical rows or identical columns, so could be faster. Anyway, thank you for watching. If you like this binary Sudoku, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. I will see you in a minute with the second regular Sudoku, a medium Sudoku for today's newspaper. See you later. Bye bye.